Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader.
Funny tongue twisters. Improve your English pronunciation. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. Think, thought, thought. I thought of thinking of thanking you. Let's try to say it faster. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. Now you try to say this tongue twister. Are you ready? Hit the pause button and practice your English pronunciation. Have fun! I hope you had fun practicing your pronunciation with this funny tongue twister. If you know any other interesting tongue twisters, please share them with us in the comments. We would like to try them too. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.